From stars to the Intense 5, let's go. Flossing King Flipper Mafia is a free man. He's out on parole for good behavior. I wonder, if he'll be dropping a song soon. Speaking of dropping, what a way Nicki Minaj dropped the Fine 9 remix to Little Miss, okay? So big up all the women on the track, kind of missing Jada and Shang, but we still love it. By the way, Nicki have her fingers on the pulse, so diss her and she will fix your business, like, in no time. She have an answer for everything. A Ghanaian politician really hit out at Spice and Skilly, saying that they are the worst of dancehall music. Well, sir, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. I wonder if they'll respond. I don't know. I don't know if Spice going to draw for the chair. Let's see. So after the bashing Stonebwoy got after allegedly saying that reggae was from Africa, the Platinum Prince Sean Paul is getting some heat as well thrown at him because people say that Sean supports the statement. However, Sean says nothing no go so. Plus, he believes that what Stonebwoy said was taken out of context. We know Sean not going to agree to that, all right? So, just please allow him. Allow Sean Paul, leave him alone. And finally holding the #1 spot this week. It's the biggest news for a while, really big. Broadcasting Commission has banned the airplay of Molly songs, scamming songs, and songs glorifying guns and violence. Now, this is only applicable to radio and TV, not the dance, not YouTube, not Twitter. So we'll see what happens. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more entertainment.